Is that the Finance Ministry has released its monthly economic review. Now, as per the review, growth momentum is likely to be sustained in Q1 of 2023-24. Core inflation began softening in June 2023 and continues to do so. Moreover, there was an improvement in domestic manufacturing output in June 2023 quarter. Labour market has shown a positive momentum, including steady growth, macroeconomic stability, as well as strong fiscal discipline, which has earned India its third sovereign ratings upgrade. So that is the pitch that's coming from the Finance Ministry, saying that all the boxes are being checked when it comes to the economic progress of the nation. This also comes in the wake of those GST reforms, which have come in to ease the cost burden on the common man, this amid the festive season as well. So this is a positive report coming in from the Finance Ministry when it comes to India's growth story and the different areas, the different economic parameters which are being worked on by the government to ensure that economic growth remains at a steady pace. That is the big piece of news that's coming in, the key highlights of the monthly economic review from the Finance Ministry. And as per this latest review, growth momentum is likely to be sustained in Q1 of 2023-24. Core inflation began softening in June 2023. Moreover, there was an improvement in domestic manufacturing output in the June 2023 quarter. Labour market has shown a positive momentum, including steady growth, macroeconomic stability, and strong fiscal discipline, which has earned India its third sovereign ratings upgrade. To get more details and decoding these pointers forward, I'm joined by my colleague Pallavi Ghosh on the broadcast. Pallavi, over to you.
See, Ayushman, there is a monthly economic review which are always brought out by the Finance Ministry, but this one is significant, though it's still too early to pin it down to a GST 2.0, but there have been important developments which have taken place. First is that little bright spark of a resumption of negotiations between India and America as far as the US tariff is concerned. The second, of course, is the GST 2.0 has given a positive sentiment in the market, especially to the manufacturing sector, and one of the main reasons why the high projection has been given as far as the economic outlook is concerned is also on the basis of one, increase in labor force, which means unemployment issue is now being increasingly addressed. Second, a growth in the manufacturing sector. This despite the fact that there are sluggish kind of a trade relation between India and America, with America having been one of the biggest trading partners. These are the important benchmarks, and despite this, if the Finance Ministry's own economic outlook is for an economic growth story beyond 7%, it is certainly a huge landmark kind of a look-ahead movement as far as the government is concerned.
Right, and Pallavi, please stay with us because we're getting another big development on the economic front.